Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to simplify the following algebraic fractions. And do take note that every time we add or subtract a fraction, we do need to make sure that the denominator is the same, is common. So for this particular question, before I do anything, I do want to simplify first and foremost the negative variables. Alright, so this will be negative 1/4 x, and when I add a negative variable, we see as minusing the variable, and when I minus a negative variable, we see as plus. Okay, so that's the first step. Now then we start to identify the like terms. I will have my x as the like term, and you will then see me doing this. I will make sure that the denominator is the same by multiplying by 2. So that I will have my negative 1/4 x. I will also have plus 2/4x. And the other like term is this negative 5y plus 4y. We could actually simplify it. This will be equals to negative 1y. And to continue, negative 1/4 plus 2/4, 2/4 x. That will give me positive 1/4 x. And I still have my negative 1y there. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.